Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial we are going to see how to import NumPy library inside a notebook. And here in our case it's Colab from Google. We type here import NumPy as MP, and MP here the alias name. This is the conventional name for NumPy and you can use any alias you want. Shift enter and we import it successfully here in Colab. So let's now use one of the functions inside NumPy. Let's create a new dataset. We call it dataset equal mp dot, this is the alias of NumPy, random dot normal. This function is used to create a dataset that follows a normal distribution. First 5 is the mean, 10 is the standard deviation, and 50 is the number of values we need or we want in this dataset. So first one 5 is the mean that we want, 10 the standard deviation, 50 is the number of values. And here we type dataset to retrieve the values in this dataset. Shift enter. And there we go. As you see here, we have this dataset that has 50 values. And for example, to find the mean of this dataset, we just need to type np.mean between parentheses the name of our dataset, which is dataset here. Shift enter, and this is the mean, 7.30. So that's how to find a measure here in NumPy. So as you see, NumPy is a library specially created to manipulate numbers here in Python. And here we have another library that used for plotting data. This library is matplotlib. So we are importing matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and this is also an alias name. You can select any name you want. Shift enter to import this library. And let's say here I need to plot this dataset. And I'm typing here %matplotlib inline just to get the plot that I'm going to create in the same cell. So this is the purpose of this line. And after that, plt, this is the alias of matplotlib.pyplot.histogram. I want here to create a histogram chart. Between parentheses dataset, this is the name of our dataset. Shift enter. And there we go. This is our histogram that represents our data. And this is only a brief introduction, as I told you. So at least now you understand what are these libraries and what they are used for.